Acumatica stands out as an ERP capable of connecting every part of your business. An underrated aspect of how Acumatica connects people and departments in your organization is the way it enables communication. That includes communication between internal users, of course, but also with the customers and suppliers as well. At AcuPower, we know that effortless communication is the core of a connected business. In this video, we will tell you all about a better way to manage your business events with Acumatica Cloud ERP. To learn more about how this ERP system works and improves your business, subscribe to our channel. And now, let's get started. An essential element of communication through Acumatica is leveraging the variety of business events that can be defined in the ERP. Business events are triggers that respond to charges in data by creating notifications for affected parties. One area business events can greatly improve and ease internal communication is in CRM. Business events are highly effective for communicating changes in lead management. An event can be created to notify a sales or marketing manager when there is a new lead that needs to be assigned to a salesperson. A secondary event can be created to notify the salesperson that they have a new lead. Because these notifications are being sent by Acumatica, each employee involved is free to focus solely on performing their jobs as effectively as possible. As leads evolve into opportunities, further notifications can be created if the opportunity may need to be reassigned based on its type. If a lead were to become stagnant, a notification could prompt the responsible salesperson to perform more activities after a defined amount of time. For those in the field of service industry, push notifications and text messages are a valuable tool for communicating from the office to the field. When new appointments are assigned to a technician, they can receive a push notification or text to their mobile device alerting them of the new appointment. This means less time on the phone or in the office and more time helping customers in the field. If your company uses approval mapping, business events are a great way to ensure that nothing needing approval goes unnoticed. As quotes or orders are created that needed to be approved by management, an email or push notification can be sent immediately to the correct person defined on the approval map. Once reviewed, notification of the approval could be sent to the person who created the order. Again, business events aren't just for employees. Your customers and partners will benefit from them too. For customers who purchase your product, nothing is more important to them than knowing when they will receive their order. Acumatica's ability to integrate directly with common carriers enables you to automatically send customer emails or SMS notifications with tracking information as soon as their shipments are confirmed. If you work with resellers, you probably know how difficult it can be to manage and keep them informed on their sales prices, especially if you have multiple price classes for different customers. If you are already managing those sales prices in Acumatica, you can rely on business events to recognize when prices are updated and automatically send an email notifying them of the change. This way, you and your customers always have reliable, up-to-date information. For customers who use your service, it's sometimes necessary to collect additional information or input from them before an open case can be completed. When input is needed from a customer, Deliver that request directly from Acumatica. As a safety net, you can set up friendly reminders to recur for the customer if a few days have gone by without a response. These examples of business events for internal and external notifications are just the beginning of how Acumatica can make communication in your business effortless. If you are ready to spend less time drafting emails and returning calls and more time growing your business, contact us at AcuPower for more information today. And if this video is helpful, let us know by leaving your likes and comments below.